Check out this 2006 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.